Alrighty, so I want to welcome you here to our Center for Food. This is home to all of our different programs in the School of Hospitality and Horticulture Science. So you can see located behind me here, we have one of our large cooking labs that are available for our culinary students. So whether you're interested in hospitality, horticulture, our culinary programs, travel and tourism, whatever it may be, they are primarily based out of this building here. Located up on the second floor, we also have our Bistro 67 restaurant. So that is a restaurant where students can both work and, obviously have lunch, dinner, whatever you may prefer. And it is very fine dining. The philosophy of the Center for Food here is what is known as field to fork. And so what that means is that we will have students in our horticulture program. They will grow the food. They will bring it over then to our culinary students. The culinary students will then prepare the food, and then you will have our hospitality and special events management students who will then serve and plan events using the Bistro 67 restaurant as well as our space here. So it's a very collaborative effort between these different programs to learn about all that goes into the culinary and hospitality area. Alrighty folks, so this is one of the key culinary areas that are available for our culinary students. So this is considered our baking lab. So students would have the opportunity to take the theory that they learn in class and apply it here and actually start producing some of the food. So they can make pastries, they can make dishes, they can make whatever that they are assigned to do in this space. There are tons of state-of-the-art equipment available in here with amazing staff and students that you can collaborate with as well. So definitely a great opportunity and great learning space for students in our culinary programs. Alrighty, so this here is the Bistro 67 restaurant that I mentioned just a little bit earlier on. So any member of the public can come in and have dinner here. We host many different events, like our etiquette dinner that is hosted generally about once or twice a year that teaches students, staff, and alumni about some of the finer dining tips and tricks for when you're going to those business meetings and dinners. Also located within this building, we also do have our pantry. So the pantry is where food from our students and from the bistro is sent to be purchased by members of the public as well as students, staff, and alumni as well. Also located downstairs, we also do have our Center for Craft Brewing and Innovations. So the way it works is that if you're a local brewer and you want to sort of test out some of your brews, you're able to use the space available here on campus to kind of partner ourselves with the community and so that we can foster better relationships both with our students and our community as well. Alright, so located here, this is one of our greenhouses available for our horticulture, food, and farming students and for their program. So you can see a wide variety of different plants and vegetables being grown here within the greenhouse. So it's definitely a great opportunity for students who want to learn that practical aspect of how to cultivate different plants, herbs, spices, fruits, vegetables, etc. Another great opportunity that our horticulture students have is to work out in our fields during the summer. So students between their first and second year, they'd have an opportunity to apply to work in our growing fields during the summer where they would learn how to produce a plethora of different plants, vegetables, and fruits to be taken to the Bistro 67 restaurant and used for our harvest dinner. So tons of great opportunities available for our horticulture, food, and farming students.